Factor to me that a lot of other universities just didn't have. I got here and I came on the open day and it was just different.
Most universities are like in crowded metropolitan areas, and I was looking for somewhere to just have a 3-year study retreat in.
When I first stepped here and just walk around here, I certainly have fallen in love. I would just study here and also have a holiday at the same time.
You can go surfing, barbecues on the beach, rowing, you can watch dolphins in the bay, you can do all of that. That's within 10 minutes of almost all of the halls of residence.
How, like, you guys went stargazing like a few weeks back?
Yeah. And you don't get the light pollution because of where you are, so you can see all the stars.
The social life,
yeah.
Drinks are a lot cheaper here than they are.
Yeah, you sort of go back home and you're sort of really shocked just at how much things actually cost.
Yeah.
And 52 pubs.
Yeah.
It's like
the highest concentration in the UK, which is great for a night out.
I love the social life here. I met a lot of friends. I learned a lot of the Welsh culture, the Welsh people.
It feels really safe as well. You can walk home at sort of 2 a.m.
Yeah, do not feel worried.
Yeah. Especially a massive fear that I had when I first came was how far away Aberystwyth is. Like, it's totally on the coast, like far away from any other big city. A lot of the universities I went and looked around were very much, there was a campus and then you travelled 20 minutes, 30 minutes until you got into the next biggest town. Whereas with Aberystwyth, there isn't that kind of separation.
It's literally the best of both worlds, that you get all the facilities of a big town with the sort of comfort and close-knit community that you get in a smaller place. There's sports, societies, you can get involved in union politics, there's opportunities for volunteering, there's so much stuff you can actually do that just enriches what you're doing academically, that means when you go out into the world and try and get a job or do whatever you want to do, you're actually a more complete person.
I think we've been able to grow up and become adults in a really secure setting. I wasn't thrust into this big horrible city where there's all sorts of scary world. It's been like a nice gentle transition.
Once you come and visit, you'll fall in love with it.
You'll understand what's good about it.
Once
you come, you just don't ever leave.
You just never leave.
I'd say definitely come and have a look round, see what we have to offer. That's the best way to do it, is come and audition us. Because that's how we do things. Give Aberystwyth an audition, because I think we'll get the part.